How to fix Apple Maps direction not working on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to search for the application Apple Map and then move into it. Once you're in the home page of the Apple Maps, all you gotta do is try refreshing the page, close the application and reopen it. If not, move into App Store. And then in the address bar, search for Apple Map. Scroll down and head over to this map. Make sure that the application is up to date. Once updated, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll down and move into apps. Inside apps, search for the application Apple Map or simply move into maps. Once you're in this page, you have to make sure that the location is turned on. You need to set it to while using the app and also enable precise location. Once enabled, it should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.